Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable two-factor authentication on your Google account, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable two-factor authentication on your Google account, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email address and click Next. Input your password and click Next again. Once you're signed in, locate the Security section on the left side of the screen. Click on Security to access various security settings. Scroll down to find the Signing into Google section. Here, you will see an option labeled Two-Step Verification. Click on Two-Step Verification to begin the setup process. You may be prompted to re-enter your password for security purposes. After confirming your password, you'll see a page that explains what two-step verification is.
Click the Get Started button to proceed. Next, you will choose your primary method of verification. You can select from options like Google Prompts, text messages, or voice calls. If you choose Google Prompts, ensure you have the Google app installed on your phone. For text messages or voice calls, enter your phone number and click Next. You will receive a verification code via the method you selected.
Enter the code to confirm that you have access to your phone. Once verified, click Turn On to enable two-step verification. You can also set up backup options for added security. Consider adding an alternate phone number or using backup codes. Ensure you review and save any important recovery information. Once everything is set up, you'll see a confirmation that two-step verification is active. From now on, you will be prompted for the second verification step when signing in from new devices or locations. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Google account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.